Hello, everybody. How are you? And Assalamu alaikum. How your temperament, everybody? Inshallah, you be carefully and live long. Inshallah, stay connected with your family. Family is an important factor as you live through your life. Of course, people from your family die as you move on, but newborn babies also join us family members. Parents are also important for kids and teenagers. They also learn different things from their kids and other family members. Family plays an important role in success. Family will always be there when you have lost your way, or even when the skies are gray. But nowadays, kids do not pay attention to their families and stay alone too. Play games on their smartphones instead of spending time with their families. Mobile laptops and tabs separate us from each other, which is not a good thing. These days, kids play games from which they learn nothing rather than learning and spending time with, with their family. So, today, I'm going to give you some tips to stay connected with your family. But before anything else, let's just pay attention to the benefits of spending time with family. Spending time with family helps in identifying identifying your skills. Is one of the main sources of seeking knowledge and learning how to handle different situations which you go through in your life. The fun when you think you will get from gaming and social media, you can also get from your families when you play and talk with them. But some family members are busy than others, but you should know how to spend time with them as it will affect your image and shape your character. You will learn more about handling fightings and staying calm. And if you stay connected with your family members will point out your mistakes you so you can correct them in the future. No wonder family is a big blessing, but kids these days ignore it instead of being thankful for it. You need your parents more than they need you. So try to get under your siblings' skin. Your brother, sisters, and cousins are a big part of your family, and you must spend time and play with them. It's really important to be creative like building something with the help of your parents or learning to cook with them. This makes you close to your parents, and that's the best way to spend time with your parents, especially on weekends. If your parents are busy, or you always spend time or play with your grandparents. as they are also a main part of your family, like parents and siblings. You can learn a lot from them, and they can tell you the story of their life and the problems they faced. You can also gather your whole family and play, which will be the best family gathering. And I promise it will be one of the most magnificent day you will ever have. Another best thing is to eat every meal with your family every day at the dining table together. Dining table name is paradise. I like to dining table because all the family sitting with you in front of you and different topics to talk to you. Ah, wow, amazing. That will make you ever close it to your family instead of eating alone in your own room. Give some time to your parents, brothers, sisters, and grandparents. It has ever ending healthy benefits. Please take care. Take care, and care is best because live long life. Best is right and you are a good human and love you and love of all.